Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to upload a world. So right here I have my OBJ in here. Now you can make this easier if it's separated into like armature and body or just body. But right now I'm going to do it the difficult way. So first we're going to start by putting the mesh onto the object. We're going to select all these. Click add component. Type in mesh. And then it should auto map directly into it. So each mesh lines up with the corresponding. Once you do that, go ahead, click on back on this. We're going to type down here VRC world. Click and drag that in. Now you want to make sure that this isn't going through anything on the map, so I'm going to slightly lift it up just to be safe. Now that we have that, we're going to add in a component under VRC world. Type in mods. We're going to check is room player mods, and then add mods. We're going to add jump. We're going to add speed, and we're going to add voice. So going down here on the right side, we can adjust all our settings. This will allow us to jump higher, run faster, walk faster, strafe faster, and then the talking distance. This is pretty good. 20 goes to about that proximity. I usually crank mine up to 50 to 200 depending on the size of the maps. So you can go ahead, tweak with the settings. Once you're happy with how that is, you're pretty much ready to go. That is it. That is all you need in order to make a world. So then you go to your show control panel. Sometimes it will ask you up here to set up your matrix layers. If it does, that's okay. Go ahead and accept it all. You can also do the same thing for your audio source. And then you can either test your map or you can publish it. This is pretty normal. This tends to happen a lot, so you don't have to worry about that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to test this. I'll name this project for YouTube. Now, depending on what you select, for example, if you select test, this should load up VRchat and run your world in it. And of course, if you publish, it's going to be just like an avatar where you can move it around, or you can set your picture and everything onto, I should say. So now we're just waiting for VRchat to load. Sometimes maps do not have the correct meshes. Sometimes you might have to optimize it, but that's very unlikely. Oops, just trying to launch VR. And there we go. Now occasionally skyboxes do this. Unfortunately, I do not know the fix for this. I've been told that you just resize the skybox, which is the outer layer, which is why you can see outside. But other than that, the map is working correctly. So yeah, that's how you upload a world onto VRchat.